And small. That's the only reason. Because they're small.
Yeah. They're also like really fluffy and cute baby dogs or puppies, and they're really better.
Yeah.
Does that girl have a phone that's bigger than herself?
It's not looking crazy. Oh no.
Ja, weil es gerade von 1 zu 4 Menschen gemacht hat.
Why is it gonna eat this?
Weil erstens die Eltern sind da.
It's hungry. Oh my god, it's now flying towards where? Oh, it went behind the tree.
Yeah, because the people are annoying it.
Uh-huh. There it is. It's still waiting for those ducklings.
It's not gonna eat them.
It will.
It
It
will.
will try.
That's right.
If those people go. It's looking at us. We're popular. Yes, listen.